Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. Today we finna do this orange You Glad Color Pop makeup tutorial looking like a sunset, you know, all romantic, looking like a zesty orange. If you wanna see how to get the look, then please stay tuned. Okay, so I just did my Fenty hydrating foundation review. That's what my eyebrows and my forehead is done. But I'm just gonna redo my foundation right quick to complete the tutorial. Spoiler alert, the foundation is kind of the business, so I'm gonna use it again. I also re-put on my moisturizer, but I'm gonna go in with the Fenty hydrating primer because it's freaking bomb. Delish. And then just a nice cute quick little ting here. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Pro Filter hydrating foundation in 370, which is my same shade for the Pro Filter matte foundation. Obviously give that a finger blend. I left my eyebrows on because ain't nobody trying to do eyebrows twice in one day. I'm just happy that they're like somewhat even. I'm like, I'm not doing that again. Niggity, next up, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Caramel Corn. Slow keep my fave right now, because it doesn't make me look dry and old, just like the foundation. And I'll give it a nice little blendy blend with the Fenty sponge. Really into this whole hydrating foundation thing that's been going on right now in the beauty community. Nice little quick blend, you know? Get rid of all the party from under my eyes because I've been having myself a little hot girl summer, you know? Deliciousness. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. It's like a waterproof bronzer, so that's kind of awesome. And this is in 35i. Give me a nice little bronzy look here. Always pushing into the hollows of my cheeks. I'm just like breezing through skin because my last few videos have been very skin focused. So I'm just, you know, doing the regular, schmegular, nothing too crazy here. I'm gonna take my Smith 122 brush, take 30M of the Pro Bronze Fusion to contour my nose. It's a cooler color, so I like that. Always pushing right up against the sides of my nose and blending it down, making it nice and easy for ourselves, you know? Nothing crazy, just a quick skin. I'm doing a lot today, holy. All right, let's get in nice and close. Let's get into this ColourPop palette, Orange You Glad. I didn't know that these are like little magnets, so I fully dropped all of them all over the floor, so I'm not gonna say the names. I'm just gonna point to the color because when I put them back in, I didn't know which one was which, so forgive me, but let's get into it. I think I'm gonna go first into, let's go into this fella right here. I'm gonna try my best not to read the names so that I'm not confusing anybody here. Morphe M503 brush. Let's put this right into the little crease. Ooh, that's pigmented, we like that. Okay. Fluff it all the way around. I'm just kind of smoothing it on with one side and then buffing it around with the whole brush, you know? Nice and peachy. Same thing on this side. Cool. Then I'm gonna go into Sunkissed. I'm just like, or this one right here, sorry. I'm just freestyling right now because I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but hopefully it's the business. And I'm tapping that in so I can get the most color payoff, but it'll blend really nicely into our little transition shade we just did. I've been doing a lot of color looks on my Instagram, but not so much on YouTube. So today's the day. I love that color. I love orange. I think it's gonna be cool with this hair. Just kind of tapping it in an angled shape. Like real talk, I just have to be real with myself and just know that this is definitely gonna be angly. Who knows? We're freestyling today. I like that color. Delish. I think I'm gonna do that underneath my eye as well, because it's fire. Same thing, tapping on when you want the most color payoff. Next up, take a little bit of our concealer and a flat brush. I'm gonna do a little cut crease action here, just a little. And I'm just kind of rolling it on top of my eyeball so I can feel where the perfect place to cut the crease is. I'm kind of just going like half of the way, you know? Nice. Next, I'm gonna go in with this beauty queen right here. Do that on the outer part. A little wing it out. And this is a ColourPop brush, E4. And I'm just kind of putting it on the outer edge of where we did our little cut crease here. Blending it out. Next up, I'm going to take the shade, this one. It might be called Zested, I'm not sure. And I'm gonna put that on the lid, kind of blend it into a darker shade. It's an interesting color. I like it, it looks like fire. Ooh. Very extra. Next up, I'm going to take this center shade here, which is like glitter, and I'm gonna do that with my finger and press it over top. Nice little shimmer. I really love ColourPop's glitters. Like if you want to be a little extra on a day where you don't want to do like something too far out of your normal makeup routine and you're in a rush, but you want to look a little more bedazzled, just take some of the glitter on your finger, press it on your eye like that, and it looks like you really tried it today. I'm going to just extrafy the darker shade on the outer part right quick. Pull it out just to blend it all in. I'm gonna take a little bit of that darker shade again and kind of connect it on the outer part. Again, freestyle session, don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully it's gonna be fire. I'm just kind of blending it out. I always like to pull stuff out to like, you know, my hairline and stuff. Take a little bit of our shimmer shade we used earlier and heavily put that the inner corners of our eyes. And I'm gonna take this Sun Kissed shade again, and I just wanna blend this out so it's a little bit more of a glowy look. This is neat. Okay, next up, I wanted to take some of this So Juicy blush sticks. Never tried these before. And I'm gonna kind of put that on the apples of my cheeks and then blend it out. Always with the stick, if you're applying it right to your face, I always have to wipe it on my hand to get rid of the foundation, but I'm just gonna give a little tap with my finger to blend it in. Cute. And then they also have a stick highlighter. And this one is called Light Sticks. Let's try it. Right down the center of my nose, we'll do a little right here. And on the, well, this is nice because I can kind of snatch my eyeshadow too. Top lip, chin, do a little blendy blend in. Right on the highest points of my face. I've been doing like a little highlight above here too, just to make me look extra glossy, you feel me? Yeah, this is nice. She looks wet. I'm gonna take some mascara in Extreme Dimension 3D Black by MAC. And I'm just gonna do a light coat on the top and on the bottom. Next up, I'm gonna throw on these Huda Beauty Lottie lashes, which are silk. Cool. For lippies, I'm gonna try the So Juicy Plumping Gloss. I've never tried these before, so let's see how it goes. It looks like pink. I love a good gloss. All right, let's take off this headband and see how we did. Ooh, smells and feels minty. BRB. All right, I hope you enjoyed this orangey plaid ColourPop makeup tutorial. I think orange is like a fun color to wear for summer that doesn't feel too crazy. I'm really feeling this. I think this collection's super cute. Super cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, follow, love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.